Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Sudeep Kamri in a Computer Science faculty. So today we are learn about Moore machine and Mealy machine. So introduction part of Moore machine and Mealy machine. So Moore machine and Mealy machines is a finite automata may have outputs corresponding to each transitions. There are two types of finite state machines that generates outputs. First is Mealy machine and second one is Moore machine. So in this part we are learn about Mealy machine. Mealy machine is a finite state of machine whose output depends on the present state as well as their present inputs. It can be described by six tuples like q, sigma, delta, delta function, lambda and q0, where q is an finite set of states. Sigma is a finite set of symbols called the input alphabets. Delta is a finite set of symbols called the output alphabets, and delta function, delta is the input transition functions where delta function q into sigma derives q. Delta function q is a input set of states into a input alphabets sigma derives another states of q. So lambda is a output transition functions where lambda is equal to q into sigma derives delta. So lambda is equal to q of input states into a input alphabets derives another states of outputs delta. Q0 is the initial states from where any input is proceed belongs to Q0 belongs to set of states Q. Mealy machine values of the input function in a most general case is a function of a present states and present input. Let's consider here yt is equal to output function, qt is equal to present state and xt is equal to input. Then we can say that here yt is equal to delta function of qt and xt. So yt is a output function is equal to, so finding output is equal to delta function of qt is a present state and present input value of xt. Mealy machine can describe by six tuples q, sigma, delta, delta function, lambda and q0. In a Mealy machine example, so consider here transition diagram. Two state is here present q0 and q1 and input alphabets is a and b and output will be defined 1 and 0 input symbols of bits. So lambda is equal to q into sigma derives delta. So here already discussed about that q is the input state of states into sigma is the input symbols of alphabets derives another output of a delta function alphabets. So q0 with respectively scans a input and output will be 1. Similarly q0 scans b, output will be 0. Similarly q1 scans b, output here defined 0. q1 scans a is equal to, we discuss here transition diagram using transition function. So first state start state is a q0. q0 scans a to go same state q0 and output will be defined here 1. So q0 state scans b record, so goes to the q1 state and output will be 0. Then q1 state scan input b symbol to go q1 state, similar state, output will be 0. And another is q1 states scans a symbol to go q0 state and output will be 1. Here consider n number of bits, so n number of outputs. If we give n bits of input, then output will be n bits. In a Mealy machine, construct Mealy machine that takes binary number as an input and produce 2's complement of that numbers as output. Assume the string is read lower significant bit and most significant bit, LSB and MSB, and end carry is discarded. So here consider solution set of sigma is equal to 2 number of input alphabets 0 and 1, and delta function is equal to output 0 and 1 is alphabets of a bit, 2's complement of a number which is a in binary function. So find out here, consider simple diagram of transition diagram. So single state will be represent 2 number of inputs and 2 number of outputs. 0 and 1 is a input, and similarly 0 and 1 is a output of a bit values. So here first complement of input, check from input 1 0 1 1, first complement is 0 1 0 0. Here will be explain here 1 is complement value is a 0 and 0 complement value is a 1. So 1 replaced by 0 and 0 replaced by 1. So 1 0 1 1 string replaced by 0 1 0 0 is a first complement of a input string. So here Q0 scans one input to go Q0 state, same state, and output will be a 0 of a 1 complement of 0. So next is a Q0 scans another string input is a 0. So go to the Q0 state and output will be a 1. So Q0 next input is a scan 1 to go Q0 state and output will be a 0. And last one is a input 1 scan Q0 state to go Q0 state, same state, to output 0. So here input string is a 1 0 1 1 is a opposite values will be a first complement values, will provide a new string is a 0 1 0 0. So here will be find out 2's complement of a input. So here consider check whether the input string is 1 1 0 0, and here same state to first complement here find out is replace 1 by 0 and 0 replaced by 1. So first complement of an input string 1 1 0 0 is 0 0 1 1. Okay. So therefore most significant bit and lower significant bit input value of 1 1 0 0 is a input string to first complement here. Similarly note down here. So 0 0 1 1, and 2's complement finding here adding 1 for a input of first complement values. So 0 0 1 1 plus 1 bit. So 1 plus 1 0, carry forward 1. So 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry forward 1. 1 plus 0 is a 1, and 0 is a similar way to the 0. Output string will be 2's complement is 0 1 0 0, lower significant bit values. Okay. So consider your new input value is 1 1 1 0 1. So first complement is input string 1 1 1 0 1 is replaced by 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. So first complement value is 0 0 0 1 0, and first consider here last one example of a first complement value is here add 0 0 1 1. So here 2's complement, so similar steps of adding 1. So 1 plus 1 is a 0, then carry forward 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, so carry forward 1. So 1 plus 0 is a 1, 0 plus 0 0. So 1 is a similar part, 0 and 0 0 is a 2's complement, similar states. So 2's complement value is a 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. So we can say here we see first is remains same, and after that text first complement of each bits. So 1 0 0, and lower significant of a first consider a string is lower significant bit is 1 0 0 is a similar patterns. So in this next example we are discuss about the state table of Mealy machine is as showing below. So here consider Mealy machine transition diagram with respect to transition table. Here will be 4 input states A, B, C and D. So start state is a 2 input symbols sigma is equal to 0 and 1. Here already defined structure. So states will be, present state will be scans 0 input to go another different states and with respectively different outputs of scan input 0 and 1. So first here consider input state is A is a start state. So A start state scans 0 to go B state and output with respectively x1. Similarly, A state scans 1 to go C state and output will be x1. The next state is a B state. B state scans 0 to go same state B and output will be x2. Similarly, B state scans 1 to go D state and output will be x3. Next state is a C state, scans 0 input symbol to go D state and output will be x3, and C state scans 1 to go same state C to output will be x1. And last one is a D state, scans 0 input to go D state of output is x3, and D state scans input 1 symbol to go same state D to output is x2. The type of machine is a Moore machine. So Moore machine is a finite state of machine whose output depend on only the present states. A Moore machine can be described by 6 tuples q, sigma, delta, delta function, lambda and q0, where q is a finite set of states, sigma is a finite set of symbols called the input alphabets, and delta is the finite set of states called the output alphabets, and delta function is the input transition functions, where finding delta functions q into sigma derives q. So here already discussed about q is a input finite set of states into a input alphabets of a sigma, so derives in go to the next states of a q. So lambda is the output transition functions, where lambda is equal to q derives delta. So q is a input set of states derives, otherwise defines another set of output alphabets. q0 is the initial states from where any input is a proceed by q0 belongs to q. In a Moore machine example, in a transition diagram, A and B are input and 1 and 0 are outputs. Q0 and Q1 are states. So here consider transition diagram using transition function. So Q0 and Q1 is a 2 states and input symbols is A and B, and output will be defined here 1 and 0 bit formation. So let's consider here output transition function lambda is equal to q derives delta. So lambda is the output transition functions to q of a states, input states derives another output values of a delta. So here consider first start state is q0, scans A to go q0 state is a similar state and output will be a 1. Then q0 scans B to go q1 state and output will be 0. Similarly, q1 state scans B to go q1 state and output will be 0. Similarly, q1 state output is 0. So here stop that transition and output will be a 1 0 0 0 to scan 3 input alphabets A, B, B. So if we give n bits of input, then the output will be a n bits values. In the next point to explain here, the state table of Moore machines is showing below. Of consider transition table with respectively transition diagram. So here present state will be, fourth state will be here presented, A, B, C and D. Start state is A. Input symbols is 0 and 1. Output is x1, x2 and x3. So here let's consider first start state A to scan input 0 to go B state, and A scan to input 1 to go C state, but output will be a same x2. Another state is a B state. B state scans a 0 input to go B state, same state, and scans 1 input to go D state, and output will be a x1. Similarly, third state is a C state, scans 0 input to go same similar state is a C state, and 1 input scan to go D state, output will be a 2 state is x2. And last one is a D state, scans input 0 to go D state and scans 1 input to go D state, similar state, so output will be a x3. In the next point, we are discuss about Moore machine examples. Relative, consider 3 examples with solution. So consider here transition table is a present state of states is a Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 is a 5 state here, and next states inputs is value A and B, and outputs will define here alphabetically bit formation 0 and 1. So Moore machine that consider here, so consider here problems. So Moore machine that input alphabets is a sigma is equal to A and B of input alphabets, and the output alphabets delta is equal to 0 and 1 bit. Running the following input symbols and find the respectively outputs of 3 values of a string. So consider here 3 examples. First example is A, B, A, B, and second one is A, B, 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 and third one is A, B, B. So 3 examples here consider. So solution part of first string, if input is A, B, B, so starts will be scanning process of input string is a start state is a Q0. Q0 scans first string of alphabet A to go Q1 state, and output will be a 0. Then the Q1 state scans another next alphabet is A to go Q2 state, and output will be 0. Then Q2 state scan next B alphabet to go Q4 state, and output will be a 1. And next is a Q4 state scans another next alphabet is A to go Q0 state, and output will be a 0. And last one is Q0 scans B record to go Q2 state, output will be 0, and Q2 state output is 1. So finding here first part of A, B of input alphabets of a string with using states to output provide 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So consider here next example, if input string is A, B, B, B. So start state is a Q0. All examples starts with Q0 states is a initial state. So Q0 state scans A record of first string alphabets to go Q1 state, and output will be a 0. Then Q1 state scan B record to go Q2 state, and output will be 0. Then Q2 state scans B record to output Q4 state, and output will be 0. Q4 state scan last B alphabet, so go to the Q0 state, and output will be a Q4 state is a 0 and Q0 state is a 0. So here Q0 to Q0 start to end state with accepting A, B, B, B string. So A, B, B, B strings of output of values 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. In the next example, if input is A, B, A, B, B. So starts with similar type to Q0 state. Q0 state scans first alphabet of string A to go Q1 state and output will be 0. Then Q1 state scans another next in alphabet is a B to go Q3 state and output will be a Q1 state is a 0. So finding here next alphabet A to Q3 scan A record to go Q4 state and output will be 0. Then go Q4 state scans B record to go Q0 state. Output of Q4 is 0. Then go to the Q0 state scans B record to output of Q0 is 0 and Q2 output of 1. So here scanning string A B A B B. So output will be produced here 0 0 0 0 0 1. In the next point, to explain here difference between Moore machine and Mealy machine, the following table highlights the point that differentiate a Moore machine and Mealy machines. So Moore machine is output depends only upon the present state, and Mealy machine output depends both upon the present state and the present input. Next point, Moore machine generally it has more states than Mealy machine, and Mealy machine generally it has fewer states than Moore machine. The next point is Moore machine, the value of the output function is a function of the current state and the changes at the clock edges whenever state change occurs. And Mealy machine, the value of output function is a function of the transition and the changes when the input logic on the present state is done. So next point is Moore machine. More logic is required to decode the output, resulting in the more circuit delays. They generally react one clock cycle later, and Mealy machine reacts faster to inputs. They generally react the same clock cycles. Thanks for watching this video. Do you like, share, comments and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos.